Everyone, Extreme Crypto here. As I mentioned in my previous video, I'll make a video on the strategy I'm going to use in the Seek ecosystem. Now, the Seek ecosystem has multiple streams of income feeding it. So I'm going to start with the Seek rewards. Then all my profits from Seek rewards, I'm going to take and put it into Seek Gold. And from Seek Gold, I'm going to take my profits and I'm going to keep on buying the Seek token. There's currently a supply of 200 million. But the main thing is there's going to be a burn of coins until there's just 50 million tokens left. It has a 15% tax. 5% gets distributed to holders. 5% is used for burn. And 5% is devoted to the Seek Rewards smart contract. Now, this is not the only stream of income that's going into the Seek Rewards. There's multiple different streams that's feeding the Seek Rewards. That means they're not depending on volume to come in. The contract is sustainable just by the streams of income. Now let's get started. First of all, I'm going to put some funds into the Seek Reward contract. Let's start with $300 here. Deposit. Put in BNB. Firm. We go. So we've sent BNB to Seek Rewards contract where we're starting our ecosystem with. Refresh and see if it's loaded. 8, 10. Go, refresh. Showing countdown. There we go. Our $300 is loaded. That means we'll get the income of $630 on a 1% daily income. Now, all my profit from the Seek rewards, I'm going to use to put it into the Seek Gold option. Now, let's get my Seek Gold started as well. I'm going to put a minimum in of 0.1 BNB. Get this contract started. And as I gain profits from the Seek Rewards section, I'm just going to use and keep on building my Seek Gold. The reason why I want to keep on building my Seek Gold is my funds is not locked in like with Seek Rewards. That means my funds available at any time. I got 423 credits at the price of around 6 cents per credit. These contracts brand new, only a volume of 42,000, let's say $43,000 in this contract. We've seen GG going over $1 million. Seek Rewards is an improved contract from Ether Chain and Tron Chain, and there's only 87 people so far, meaning these are brand new contracts, improved, and a massive future ahead of them. Going to the SEEKcoin section, I'm going to connect my wallet as I'll be buying coins right now as well. Let's see how many BNB I have left. So half a BNB left. So let's put 0 to 5 BNB in. Buy Seekgold tokens. Got my Seek tokens bought. They should be added to my wallet. Seek token is refreshed. Page. Sure, our tokens is dropped in. There we go. My Seek tokens is in my wallet. So I've started with the Seek rewards. All my profits from Seek rewards, I'm going to push them into Seekgold and build it up. And as I gain profits from the Seekgold option, I'm going to use those profits and push it towards SEEKcoin. I'm going to keep on doing this until the pre-sale is done. The moment the pre-sale is done, I'm going to switch it around. I'm going to use my dividends from the SEEKcoin, push that into the Seek rewards, and all my profits from Seek rewards, I'm going to put it into Seekgold, and I'm going to pay myself with my profits from Seekgold. This is a strategy I'll be using on SEEKcoin, the ecosystem. Leave me your thoughts, concerns, and comments down below. The links for all these contracts will be down below, as well as the contract address for the SEEKcoin. This is an underrated ecosystem, in my opinion. Huge potential, especially with the Seek rewards having multiple streams of income. Have a great one. Enjoy.